Hello everybody, I am Ayrton. I am here with my partner Emma. Welcome to our TV program Success Stories. Today we are excited to present the inspiring story of Elon Musk, a successful entrepreneur whose ideas and projects have changed the world. Hi everyone, Elon Musk was born in 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. When he was a child, he loved reading books and learning about technology. He grew up with his parents and his siblings, and from an early age he showed a strong interest in computers and science. Yes, and one of the most important life-changing events in his life happened when he decided to leave South Africa. He moved to Canada and later to the Estates United because he wanted more opportunities to achieve his dreams. This decision changed his future. However, his life was not easy. He experienced many challenges when he was young, and some of his first projects did not succeed. But he never stopped working hard because he believed in his ideas. Now let's talk about his achievements. Elon Musk has already founded important companies and has changed different industries. He started SpaceX because he wanted to make space travel more accessible for people. In addition, he co-founded Tesla, and the company has helped make electric cars more popular around the world. He has already achieved many important goals in technology and business. What impressed me the most is his perseverance. Although he had failures, he did not give up. He has turned problems into opportunities and he has continued working toward his goals. On the other hand, his story teaches us important lessons. He has shown us that success does not come immediately. People need patience, effort, and dedication to set their dreams. Since he started his project, he has worked hard for many years. I had learned that we should continue trying even with things we can difficult. In conclusion, Elon Musk is more than a social businessman. He is a person who inspires millions of people around the world. Thank you for joining us today. We hope Elon Musk's story motivates you to follow your dreams, learn from your mistakes, and continue working hard for your future. Have a great day, everyone, and remember every challenge can become an opportunity for success.